I'm going to tell about value of English.
चेहरा क्या देखते
English is the most important for everyone. English is a global language. We cannot suppose you have no knowledge of English, we cannot find a good position. English is not a subject; it's also.
English is the most important language. It is also it is a language. English is a subject and it is also language. Without English in this time, without English we cannot survive.
Right now I am doing English spoken from Excellent Institute and my hobby is playing COD.
कि हमें कंफ्यूज करने के लिए हर कदम पे लोग हैं। हमें कंफ्यूज इसलिए करते हैं कि ताकि हम ग्रोथ करने से रुक जाए। तो पहले के ज़माने में कुछ होता था कि लोग बढ़ते थे तो पीछे से बढ़ने के लिए सपोर्ट भी करते थे, लेकिन आज के डेट की बात करें तो सब लोग कुछ कोशिश करते हैं कि हम भी आगे बढ़े और कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि कैसे इनको पीछा कर दें, हम गिरा दें। तो याद रखिए, जब आपको कोई कंफ्यूज कर रहा है, जैसे आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं तो कोई गाना बजाने लगेगा, कोई गाना गाने लगेगा तो आपको कंफ्यूजन नहीं होने से रोकेगा। यानी कि सबसे पहले हमें कंफ्यूजन कर रहा है तो हमें एकदम अपने मार्क पे रहना है कि कोई कितना हो कंफ्यूज करे लेकिन हम बोलते रहे। तो मैं आप लोगों को इंट्रोडक्शन बोलवाऊंगा और इंट्रो में आपको जो भी बोलना है या हो सके कि कोई टॉपिक दूं, लेकिन आप लोग को लगातार बोलते जाना है। साथ में मैं कंफ्यूजन करूंगा, आप लोगों के लिए कंफ्यूज ऐसे बनाएंगे कि आप भी रुक जाएंगे, लेकिन रुकना नहीं है। जो भी हो, जो आपके पास टॉपिक है, पोडियम विशेष है या तो आप पब्लिक स्पीकिंग कर रहे हैं, उसमें आपको बोलते रहना है। तो मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूं कि कौन वो ब्रांड इंसान है जो आसानी से बोल सकता है। तो नाउ टुडे आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल स्टूडेंट, प्लीज टेक इट, प्लीज टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर इंट्रोडक्शन।
So thank you so much for having me this wonderful
Now
opportunity to
I'm going
speak
to
here.
tell something
So I am going to tell something about myself. This is me, Nasruddin. I belong to Chaf. My father is Safiq Alam. He is a good farmer, as well as my mother is Jada Khatun. She is a good housemaker. My life is my life maker. My education qualification, I have done 10th right now. Right now I am doing English spoken from Excellent Institute and my hobby is playing COD and my target is to be a good speaker. That's all. Thanks for listening carefully.
Ladies and gentlemen, what's happened? Carry on about
starting.
any topic. कोई दूसरा topic? Okay, tell me something about your village. Village.
So now I am going to tell something about my village. My village name is Chaf Mubarakpur. He is one of the best villages in our UP, not a UP in the world. So I want to tell you about my facilities in my village. So there are many types of facilities in my village, such as water tank and railway station, current, government hospital, government and private colleges. There are many types of colleges in my village. If I talk about current facilities, so per day 24 hours current available in my village. So such as about my government hospital. If you have no money, then if you want to take free treatment and you can take easily free treatment, because that is the many types of facilities available, such as government hospital. There is, if you want to get higher education, there is too. If you want to take get higher education, such as Hindi medium and English medium, if you want to get an easily,
in this
because
time, but
there are many types of colleges.
clapping everybody is for the him, because whatever I again and again confused him, but he was properly whatever he also is speaking. Wow, well done. Next I would like to call Mr. Student, please, is Mamula.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for having me this great opportunity to. Now I'm going to tell something about myself. Intro. This is Maula Ansari. I belong to Misirpatti. This is Maula Ansari. Belong to Misirpatti. My father name is Mr. Saifullah Ansari. He is good doctor, and my mother name is Mrs. Mehrun Asaji. She is good housemaker and my life maker. She is good housemaker and my life maker, and my education qualification I have done 10th. Right now I am going to IS Spoken Center. IS Spoken Center from Excellent Institute, Paravna, Kushinagar. Now I'm going to tell something about importance of English. English is an international and global language. Without English we cannot survive our life in any country. English is a subject and it is also language. Without English in this time, without English we cannot survive our life in any country. Without English we cannot get higher education in this time. Get higher education, because all types of subjects written by English in all courses. If you want to be an engineer, doctor, we cannot be able. It's not enough. English is the most important language. If you want to be safety, good safety. You have to good. English is the most important language. It is also it is a language and it is also subject English. Without English we cannot survive our life in any country, because all type of subject written by English in this time. English is the most important language, because you have no English knowledge, then you are going to foreign country, then what will you do? Suppose that you have English knowledge. English knowledge is a very important knowledge. English is a very important knowledge. It's not enough. English in this time, all courses in this time, English is all courses. English, all courses and all college, all school in English medium. That's why English is the most important language. Suppose that you have no knowledge English, then what will you do?
Performance. I hope next one I would like to call Mr. Stand up, please. Istaval.
Thank you so much for having me this wonderful opportunity. Now I'm going to tell about. Thank you so much for having me. Now I'm going to tell about my intro. This is Tosif Alam. I belong to Kuberastan. My father name is Mr. Jailam. He's a good worker. As well as my mother name is Mr. Nasim Aras. He's a good housemaker and my life maker. Right now I'm doing spoken English from Excellent Institute. My hobby is playing cricket. My target to be an OCR. Now I'm going to tell about value of English. English is the most important for everyone. English is a global language. We cannot suppose you have no knowledge of English, we cannot find a good position. English is not a subject, it's also language. English is a back of combination. Suppose that you have no knowledge of English, we cannot find a good position. In this time all courses convert by English medium. And it suppose that you have no knowledge of English, we cannot find a good position.
How can you say that without English we cannot get a good position?
Suppose that you have no knowledge of English, you have no knowledge of English, you are going in a foreign country and you have a fever and you went to medical shop and saw I have a fever, but you cannot understand your problem. So that's why English is the most important for everyone. All books and converted by English medium. Suppose that you went to London and you have no knowledge of English and you cannot talk for anyone, and you have a knowledge of English, you can talk for forever and anyone.
Nice. Clapping everyone for the. देखिए सबसे ज़रूरी है कि हम अगर कोई काम कर रहे हैं, कोई डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है तो वो भाड़ में जाए, हमें कितना हो कोई डिस्टर्ब करे, लेकिन हमें डिस्टर्ब नहीं होना है, इंग्लिश बोलना है। ऐसे हर कदम पे हमें परेशान करने वाले लोग हैं तो हमें परेशानियों से सामना नहीं करनी पड़ेगी। हम खुद में अगर मगन हो जाने से हमारा जो रास्ता है रुक नहीं पाएगा। तो आप लोगों के बीच जो ये एक्टिविटीज़ हुआ है कि कोई बोल रहा है, कोई आके गाना बजाने लग रहा है, तो कोई क्या करता है कि पोडियम पे बोल रहा है, स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस कर रहा है, तो उसमें कोई देख करके हंस दिया, सर ये हंस रहा है। तो याद रखिए इसका मतलब क्या है कि आपका नज़र उसके पास है, न कि हम जो काम कर रहे हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग है। तो सबसे पहले पॉइंट ये आता है कि सर मुझे वो देख रहा है, सर वो हंसा रहा है, तो स्टेज पे आप हैं तो वो डिस्टर्ब करना चाहता है, तो आपको डिस्टर्ब नहीं होना। ट्राई अगेन एंड अगेन बिकॉज वी आर अ लर्नर ऑफ इंग्लिश। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, एंड अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें, क्योंकि आपके सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत है। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियोस।